Oh yeah. I hear you. Time to grand hustle, right? Yeah, grand hustle for the grand prize. Stay on top of what is ahead. You know, like Rabbit is a told eyes. So here we go. Girl, you sex as you wanna be, but they say that you just a wanna be. Like you wanna jump on me, you wanna bounce like a kangaroo to a wallaby. So go ahead, shout it like Penelope. Go ahead, so it's time to cruise. So we looking for a Tom next, but we ain't gonna roll with the uncle to the Tom, cause now he be peeping, looking for who's next. Then you understand, like girls stepping out of the shower when they wet. Yeah, so go ahead and throw in the towels unless you ain't sober. So go ahead, nigga, just let them get it over. Let them bend over. Go ahead, dude. Ain't nothing out of my range, short or long like the Rover. So go ahead and what you wanna do, dude. I can take you to Maryland. Yeah, that is Dover. That is where you wanna roll over. Yeah, get the minutes like Motorola. Life's up and downs like a roller coaster as it spins around like the carousel for that caramel. And I wish they would care with just 1 ounce, one goddamn cell. Just one molecule. Yeah, one molly and we'll be cool. Then we can break the rules. Yeah, and if you need some money to console your soul like an insole instead of cajole. Sexy, beautiful, wonderful, what you do. Sexy, beautiful, wonderful, what you do. Some real freaky, so some real freaky. Yeah, so I got my daughter with me, and she's old, you know, about 30 days short of being 2 years old, don't you see? So we had 2 separate holes and 2 separate occasions. Just want to roll up to me in this situation and be like, damn, with a topic of conversation, persuasion. Let me see what's up, girl, yeah, let me see what's good. You know she's so cute, you made babies like that, got my ovaries tingling. Should girls say things to a married man like that? So for a jack of all trades, I'm just trying to play my cards right. Yeah, go ahead and guess what I'm trying to do next, dude. It's like charades, following my footstep, no parades. Go ahead and let them know I got high praise. Just go ahead, my girl texting me saying the bass is so loud cause I'm sitting outside of the house right now. Just went to the home to get me a little bit of smokes. Now it's time to chill, dog. Me and my girl, and you know she real cutthroat.